Title of my project is Weighted Local Active Pixel Pattern for Effective Face Recognition. I am Rajesham, worked under the guidance of G. Mallikarjun Rao, Department of CSC, Gogaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology, Bachapalli, Hyderabad. The proposed methodology, Weighted Local Active Pixel Pattern, includes the following steps: computation of active pixels, computation of active template, weights for each region, and Weighted Local Active Pixel Pattern. This experiment is done on FGNet database. And finally, testing of images can be done. WLAPP is developed based on local active pixel pattern LAPP. LAPP is a local feature extracting approach for reducing time and space requirements. LAPP is also used for face recognition on mobile constrained environments. Compared to conventional approaches, this method processes an enlarged image instead of compressed image. Compression process results in loss of sensitive local information. Computation of active pixels. By using LAPP, we can get the active pixels. To get active pixels, follow these steps shown here. Computation of template. A vector is comprised from average of active pixels of each subject's all images. Then we can correlate active pixel matrices and active templates so that we can get the maximum value of correlation gives the class number of image as the best match. Weight computation. The weight is computed to know the sensitivity of a region. To get the weight, first active pixel matrices and active templates are divided into 2 by 2 matrices, and then is done so that whose correlation value is greater than 0.3 can be counted. This count gives the weight of that region. After getting weight, we can compute weighted local active pixel pattern. The weight of a region is multiplied with the pixels of that region. It can be done by using MATLAB dot product multiplication. Finally, we can get weighted local active pixel matrix and weighted local active template matrix. This is called weighted boosting. FGNet aging database. This is used in our experimentation. This contains total of 921 images of 82 subjects. This contains different age group persons images. Sample images of a person with different ages is shown here. It shows the complexity of the database. Testing and results. The testing of images is done by using correlation of images. Correlation of images is performed on all weighted local active pixel patterns. The maximum value of correlation gives the best match for the given class. Here we can see table of results. It contains 3 columns of 3 methods without pre-processing, with boosting, weighted boosting. Here weighted boosting is our WLAPP. It gives the optimal results among all 3 methods. It gives the maximum results of 95.98, which is the best result among all. Conclusion. This face recognition algorithm using weighted local active pixel pattern poses good results on FGNet aging database for effective face recognition. It works in all conditions such as pose variation, facial aging, facial expressions, and illumination conditions. So apart from the LAPP and LBP, we can get more effective face recognition by using WLAPP. Finally, we can say weight is proportional to sensitivity, and that is proportional to active pixels. Publications. I have published this WLAPP in International Journal for Scientific and Engineering Research, and also I published and presented in International Conference on Advanced Computing Methodologies, GRIT Hyderabad. GUI, Graphical User Interface. It allows the users to interact with the system. Here, face recognition with WLAPP GUI contains 2 segments. First segment shows the experimental process of WLAPP. Second is used to recognize the face by accepting image from database. To open GUI, first we need to type guide in command window and press enter. Then we can get a guide window with 2 options: create new GUI and existing GUI. By selecting open existing GUI, we can browse already existing GUIs. Here first segment survey of WLAPP shows the experimental process step by step. The process starts with the training of the database. It computes the active pixels by using LAPP. So click on the training to start the training process. Then you can see wait bar, as we need to wait till it completes the computation of active pixels of images in database. After completing the process, a message box is displayed as active pixel computation is completed. Now you can click on template computing. After computing templates for each subject, we can get a message box. Then click on wait computation and wait till process gets completed. Then again you can see a message box shows the wait computation is completed. Then click on testing. After completion of testing process, you get a message box as testing is completed. Testing of images completed. You can see the experimental results by clicking on statistics. You can see total number of images in database, number of tested images, number of correctly recognized images, and number of images wrongly recognized. Then correct recognition rate is displayed. Correctly recognized rate is 95.98. It is best among other approaches. Now face recognition. It contains two buttons, select an image and face recognition. By click on select image button, you can select an image from the database to recognize it. Then it computes the active pixels of the selected image. Completing the active pixel computation, click on face recognition. Now you can get a message box and figure. Message box shows the class number to which image belongs to. Figure shows input image and recognized image. And finally, by clicking on exit button, you can exit from GUI. Thank you.